You can open the web server integrated in the LRK series micro PLC using any PC connected to the same network. Open a browser and type in the IP address of the micro PLC, 192.168.0.10, in this example, to open the web server login page. Enter your credentials, by default admin and admin, to log in. In the first section called System, you'll find the micro PLC code, the firmware version, the IP address, the current status, whether in run or stop mode, and the set date and time. On the I/O status page, you can monitor the status of digital and analog inputs and outputs, and the current value of data registers, timers, and counters in real time. Finally, in the Settings section, you can change the password used to log on to the web server. The login credentials, user and password, can be changed in the LRXSW software in the Operation Web Password menu. Enjoy your work.